Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today I'm going to show you guys the good old top knot bun. But before I get into that, if you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends. So guys, I'm going to show you guys how I was able to achieve this very beautiful bun hairstyle. So if you have fussy hair, you know that top knot bun is like a go-to hairstyle any day, anytime. So I decided to do it today. I decided to show you guys how I was able to do these different styles of top knot bun. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Now let's just get into the tutorial. Hi guys, so I'm gonna first of all start by moisturizing my hair. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this hair cream. After that, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my dark hair cream as well. Then I'm gonna detangle my hair. So after detangling my hair, I went ahead to put it in a ponytail, and then I'm gonna spray water on my hair and then apply my gel. This way it's gonna be easier for me to slick my hair down. So while I apply the gel, I'm gonna brush my hair as well with this brush, and then I'm also gonna brush it with the denim brush as well. Then I'm gonna go back with my gel and apply more. After doing that, I'm gonna take out the bun and then repack my hair very well. So after that, I'm gonna go ahead and tie my scarf and just let it dry. So after about 2 hours, I'm gonna go ahead and take the scarf out. So I'm just trying to cover the line that the scarf created, as you guys can see, but with time the line will go off. The hair is not completely dry, but I'm gonna work with it. So first style I'm gonna show to you guys is using this clipping. I'm just gonna wrap the clipping round on my bun. So after wrapping it round, I'm definitely going to take another clip and then wrap round as well. So after wrapping the clip, I'm gonna take a little bit of the hair and then wrap it round to cover the clips. And this is what it looks like. You guys can see this clip-on actually goes very well with our natural hair. It's so beautiful. And of course, I'm gonna try to just wrap it into a bun. So this is the style after wrapping it into a bun. Absolutely beautiful. So after that, I'm gonna show you guys the styles I made with my Mali hair. You guys know I'm definitely gonna style my bun with the Mali hair. So I just attach the Mali hair to it, and then I'm gonna twist it like so. And I'm gonna wrap the first one around. After that, I'll wrap the second one. And this is what it looks like, guys. Absolutely beautiful. I really, really love this. So beautiful. So now I'm gonna split the Mali hair into 4 and then create 4 twists in total. And then I'm gonna start wrapping them round. And this is what it looks like. Very, very lovely. And yes, guys, that's what it's gonna be for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you do, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and please share with your friends, and I'll see you guys very soon. I love you guys. Bye.